Okay, viewers, today we are going to discuss one more important model in inverse trigonometric function. So this problem is based on the principle sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 for all x belongs to R. See, here you can understand that the input of sine inverse and cos inverse must be same. Then only you will be get that this is at pi by 2. So according to this one, you can write that a minus, what is the given series in this one? A minus a square by 3 plus a to the power of 3 whole divided by 9 minus and so on is equals to 1 plus b plus b square plus b to the power of 3 plus and so on to infinity. Clearly, this one is in geometric progression, sum of the infinite terms in GP. So now here you can take that first a is the common, then it becomes 1 minus a by 3 plus a square by 9 minus and so on is equals to 1 plus b square plus b to the power of 3 plus and so on to infinity. We know sum of the infinite terms in GP formula will be S infinity is equals to a by 1 minus r. Here r should be less than 1. R should be less than 1. What is meant by a? A is the first term, r is the common ratio. By using that formula, you can write that a into, first you convert this one is into the form 1 plus minus a by 3 plus minus a by 3 whole square plus and so on to infinity is equals to 1 plus b square plus and so on. So this one is and so on to infinity. So here left hand side you apply the formula a into first term is that 1 by 1 minus common ratio means second term by first term or third term by second term and so on. So second term by first term is a minus a by 3. Minus into minus plus a by 3 is equals to this one is that 1 whole divided by 1 minus b. Now you take LCM. This one will becomes that 3 into a whole divided by 3 plus a is equals to 1 by 1 minus b. Right? Now from this one you can write that 1 minus b is equals to what is the value? A plus 3 whole divided by 3a. Now from this one you can write that b is equals to 1 minus a plus 3 whole divided by 3a. Now you take LCM, that value will be equals to 2a minus 3 whole divided by 3a. This one is the b value. So now you see all of you, here b is equals to, you got it that 2a minus 3 whole divided by this one is that 3a. So one answer, this one is nothing but b value in terms of a. B value in terms of a, what is that in given options? That will be equals to 2a minus 3 whole divided by 3a. So your right answer will be, what is the right answer? Right answer will be a is the right answer. So now same and some more options a value in terms of b. So c and d are there. Now you will be verify a value. See, look at this one. Here you can write that You cross multiply this value. If you cross multiply, this one will be 3a into b is equals to 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3. From this one we can write that, you hear that this value will be 2a 2a minus 3 into ab is equals to, that is that 3. That is equals to 3. Now here you take that a is the common. You take that a is the common, 2 minus 3b is equals to, this one is that 3. From this value you can write that a is equals to 3 whole divided by 2 minus 3b. So what is that a value? A value will be 3 whole divided by 2 minus 3b. So this is the next one. So all of you see that given options. What is that next one? So here the right answer will be C is the correct answer. A is equals to 3 by 2 minus 3b is the correct answer. Same, one more question in this same model will be this one. Now all of you see, look at this one. Here, this one you can write that, say sine inverse of x square minus x power 4 by 3 plus x power 6 by 9 minus and so on, plus cos inverse of this value. So what is the fundamental? Here you have to be understand, this is a basic formula, sine inverse x plus cos inverse of x. So these two input values should be equal. So here this one will be equal. So these two are the equal. Now equating this one, x square minus x to the power of 4 by 3 plus x to the power of 6 whole divided by 9 minus and so on is equals to x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 8 whole divided by 3 plus x to the power of 12 whole divided by 9 minus and so on to infinity. First left hand side you take that x square is the common. If you take that x square is the common, 1 minus x square by 3 plus x to the power of 4 whole divided by 9 minus and so on. Here right side you take x to the power of 4 is common. That value will be 1 minus x to the power of 4 by 3 plus x to the power of 8 by 9 minus and so on. Right? Now this one first you convert into the standard form, x square into 1 plus minus x square by 3. So this is the first term, plus next one will be minus x square by 3 whole square minus plus and so on to infinity is equals to x to the power of 4 into, here also 1 plus minus x to the power of 4 by 3 plus next one is a minus x to the power of 4 by 3 whole square plus and so on to infinity. So this is the right side value. Now here this one is, now this is a sum of the infinite terms in the GP. Now you apply the same formula, x square is the common factor. After this one into a is the first term 1 by 1 minus common ratio is the second term by first term minus x square by 3, minus into minus plus x square by 3 is equals to x to the power of 4 into first term is that 1 whole divided by 1 minus r is the minus x power 4 by 3, minus into minus plus x to the power of 4 by 3. Here you take LCM, it becomes that 3 into x square by 3 plus x square. This is the left hand side. Right side value 3 into x to the power of 4 whole divided by 3 plus x to the power of 4. Now here 3 will be cancelled. 3 will be cancelled. Don't cancel that x square term. Now you cross multiply. This one will be x to the power of 4 into x square plus 3, okay, is equals to x square into x to the power of 4 plus 3, x to the power of 4 plus 3. Now here you get all the terms is the one side, take x square is the common. If you take x square is common, x square into x square plus 3, right, minus x to the power of 4 minus 3 is equals to 0. So now you simplify inside the bracket, it becomes that x square into x to the power of 4 plus 3 into x square minus this value will be x to the power of 4 minus 3 is equals to this value will be 0. Now here x to the power of 4 will be the cancel. After that the value will be nothing but what is that value? This value will be x square into 3x square minus 3. 3x square minus 3 is equals to 0. That means x square is equals to 0 or this one is that 1. From this one therefore x is equals to 0 or plus or minus 1. So totally the question is here you see in this one, first you observe that what is the condition in this one, modulus of x value will be, so this one will be greater than or equals to and 0 and less than 3. So this value will be nothing but minus root 3 is a less than x is a less than root 3. This is the meaning of this one. So here you got it that x values will be 1, 0 or plus or minus 1. So clearly these will be lies in that interval, lies in that minus root 3 is a less than, x is a less than root 3. So here these will be lies in this interval. So therefore number of solutions, first solutions will be, these are the 3 solutions. So therefore number of solutions will be, so how many number of solutions? Number of solutions is equals to 3. So your right answer is that what? 3 is the right answer. Number of solutions is a 3. So 3 is the right answer. Okay. I hope that everyone is clear this solution. And next one more question we will see in that same model. That is a very important question and some different model. See, look at this one. Here this one is the sine inverse of x square plus x plus 1 plus cos inverse of lambda into x plus 1 is equals to pi by 2. Now here you apply same condition. First condition is what? Here the first condition will be input values must be equal. So by equating input values, that means here x square plus x plus 1 will be equals to lambda into x plus 1. Plus 1 and plus 1 is a cancel. From this one we can write that x square plus x minus lambda into x is equals to 0. From this we can write that x square plus 1 minus lambda into x is equals to 0. From this one is that x into x plus 1 minus lambda is equals to 0. So what is that x value? x will be equals to 0 or lambda minus 1. So all of you see, in this question we have that this equation has exactly two solutions. This equation has exactly two solutions. So very important thing is that the fundamental thing is nothing but we know that domain of we know that domain of sine inverse of x and cos inverse of x, sine inverse of x and cos inverse of x will be sine inverse of x and cos inverse of x will be closed interval minus 1 comma 1. So this is the domain. So by using this condition I will write that here x square plus x plus 1, this value always will be lies between minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1. So by using this one, you do one thing. Here this right side inequality by consider, right side inequality is consider, you can get that x square plus x plus 1 less than or equals to 1. From this you can write that x square plus x less than or equals to 0. From this one you can write that x into x plus 1 less than or equals to 0. From this value you can write that what is that x value. So here actually x is equals to 0. Don't take this x value will be 0. Now the another value is that lambda. So lambda minus 1 into x value is lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 1 plus 1 is less than or equals to 0. From this we can write that lambda minus 1 into lambda is less than or equals to 0. Now you can write that by using that wavy curve 0 less than or equals to lambda is less than or equals to 1. This is actually you got it this value. But you see in this one, if you take that lambda is equals to 1, lambda is equals to 1 if you write in this one, so here x values these two will be the equal. But in the question the given equation exactly two solutions, exactly two solution means it must be different values. That's why here in this inequality lambda is not equals to 0. So clearly lambda value should not be equals to 1. Since if lambda is equals to 1, the given equation, since lambda is equals to 1, the given equation has only one solution, therefore now from this one you can write it, from this one we can write it 0 less than or equals to lambda less than 1. 0 less than or equals to lambda less than 1 means you can write lambda, that implies lambda is belongs to left closed interval 0 comma 1. So now in this question, if it has the two solutions for lambda is belongs to left closed interval a comma b. Now here this value will be equals to left closed interval a comma b. So what is that a value? Therefore a is equals to this one is 0 and b is equals to this value is the 1. Now the thing is, what is that a plus b? So a plus b is equals to, therefore a plus b is equals to this value is at 1. So your right answer will be a plus b is equals to 1 is the right answer. This is the integer type question. This is the integer type question. So it is the very most important model. So, okay, right. One more question. Already it is given in advanced examination. So that question will be this one. The number of real solutions of the equation sine inverse of that something is equals to pi minus pi by 2 minus cos inverse of something. So this question we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share and subscribe the channel.